Oa, ele ready if I say speech. Ai, e te tau lava o au lava. Tau atu, e te reo pepelo. O au ole favorite. Oa, na o au ale tama. Ai. O le matua le anga le whainga o le tina. O le tina, whanau le lusfulu tolu i ulai. Ea feiva se lau ona sfulu. E whanau ai. Si matua masiofo leo tātia mai nei. O se tangata, o se tina tumu le alofa. E le taitai, ona fia manao e whale tonu se mea matua inga. Ai mai se pea ngā lue tonu i le ministry o tinā, ma Sunday school. E le manao e anything go wrong, she wants everything to go smooth. And she always do it with her whole heart, heartedly, and she's just a lady that loves to serve God, a real woman of God. O se tangata maalosi fot, e le taitai ona whaali mai a mea o mai. She's always smiling every time. She loves her siblings, even though if throws shades at one of her siblings, she always says, "So you kokora kiki? That's your auntie's uncle." But she always tells me, "Fe pea o alu, ai longa ke rofa yo usoma ku ngangi." Na ke Mom, I will love your siblings even though you go. O le tina lea, lo tina. E le mawhainga, e le misi lona, she, everything for church clothes, everything. She always get it ready to, she always get everything ready for me. E le manga o e le anga so ofu pea whailuma nei le stage when I'm playing for the band. She always makes sure I'm wearing something good for church. And I'm the only boy in the family, and she spoils me a lot. Look at me. And my mum, she really loves her grandchildren. The two of them can't be with us tonight. And everything, family, friends, what they talk about Mum tonight, it's so true. This woman here, my mum, she's the person I always run to. I always vent to her if I'm not feeling 100%, and she vents back. Le taimi nga alwe lo to ina lolo oka. Whaani mai, she's like she's missing my dad. But I always say to my mum, "Oh, bear here. I know you're very long a life. You got me." But I know inside her she really misses her husband. But Mum, thank you for everything you've done for me. I will miss you really dearly. I will never forget you. Mo'onga sa molia I talo sanga. Sa nofo fata sile neola. A ole nei ua wala awina oe. Ege oba taua leo leo oe. Musue fo ia tu maletani. Mana tua o ainga o lo fatai mua maluau e o ile tupu ile lani o la o penina o la o peleta. I love you, Mum. See you soon.